Charts communicate information visually, and they make it easy for you to see patterns and trends in data. In this demo, I will show you how to create a chart using all default values. We will then further customize the chart by changing the chart title, legend, and size. You can chart all rows and columns of the grid by clicking the Insert New Chart icon and making a few quick selections in the chart wizard. We will create a column chart. The series will come from the rows, and they will be dynamic so that all product categories or rows will be included in the chart. Dynamic charts all rows and columns, while static lets you pick what will be charted. The second window of the Chart Data Wizard determines whether the data points are dynamic or static. We will leave them dynamic. The third window controls the axes, their titles, and the display of the legend. Let's accept all other default values and click Finish to chart all rows and all columns of the view. Series for this chart display in the legend. In my example, the series are from rows, which are the product category values. The data points are year-to-date actual sales this year versus last year. You can control many formatting characteristics of the chart, the area surrounding the chart, and the type of chart displayed by using the Chart Data Wizard. Right-click anywhere in the chart and choose Data Wizard from the pop-up menu. Besides the column chart I've shown you, Stratum.Viewer supports 18 different chart types. Dual access charts, and charts that show totaling and all other summary data. Let's keep the chart type as column, but I want to change the series from field to columns and refresh the chart. See how the chart has a completely different look depending on how the chart is defined? The view columns are now the series, and they display in the legend. The data points are the rows and display on the horizontal axis of the chart. The chart title defaults as the view name. Right-click within the chart and choose Format Title to change the chart title and formatting, such as background color, border, and font. We will change the chart title, the background color, and add a solid border that has a width of 2 points. Our chart is redisplayed with our newly formatted chart title. Let's make the chart background color yellow by choosing Format Chart Background and then selecting Yellow from the Color Palette window. We could also adjust the legend. To save a little space, we can change the legend style to table and the alignment to center. While analyzing the year-to-date sales, I want to focus on my chart. To make the chart stand out more and easier to read, I could increase the size of the chart area. Let's change the height to 600 and the width to 1000 on the Format Chart Area window. To further draw our attention to the chart, besides formatting the chart area, we could change the display so the view grid does not display. Within View Explorer, access the Grid Property window and change the visible field to No. Now only the chart displays, and it is large enough that I can easily work within it. This concludes my demo of using charts in a view.